Hey everybody. Beautiful day here in Red Lake. Had a little bit of rain the last couple days, but now it's back up to 21-degree temperatures. I bought this new gimbal for my iPhone from Amazon about a week or so ago. Been using it off and on, and I'm really liking it. Doing a lot more filming on the iPhone now because of it, especially when I'm walking and trying to get a little bit of B-roll, get steadier shots. Labor Day weekend is almost upon us. We got the fair in town setting themselves up for this weekend. Threw the canoe on top of the truck and packed a bag. I'm gonna go out for the afternoon at least. I took everything that I needed to stay overnight if I so choose, but I'm gonna go for the afternoon anyway. Let's go. Got out here to Dixie Creek, and we get here, there's somebody else here. Well, their truck with a trailer and some canoes here, I'll show you. Somebody's here. Well, they're out in the river anyways. But got a fire pit. They're not set up camp, so I'm assuming they're just out there for the day. 3 kayaks and a trailer. Let's go take a look at this. Somebody told me about this campsite right along the river. Been wanting to go up this river for a little while, just haven't yet, but now today I'm gonna go check it out. Let's go back and get the canoe. Got Juno here. Be a warm day up there, so. Okay, we're off. So, hopefully I'm in frame. Here we are, Dixie Creek, and we're going to go for a paddle. Been up this way before, so it's kind of different. People with the truck back there, 3 more people showed up to get free for the kayaks. One guy out there already in a motor, and he went down the other way, opposite way that I'm going, into Dixie Lake, and we're gonna go up the other way. We'll actually come to the place that I was taking photographs the other day. Get as far as there anyways. These people back there were telling me too, there's river somewhere. We have to keep an eye out for that. About a 10 or 15-minute paddle up, give or take. So, if I find it, I'll show you. Boy, is it ever paddling into the wind, so it's a little tough. It would be nice to explore the Dixie Creek here. Well, the wind is pretty strong. These gusts just came up and blew me right over to the side into the reeds here. I'll give it a minute and see if it's going to calm down a little bit and I can get further up. If not, I guess we're going to be cutting this trip short and head back. We have built a dam and I'm having a hard time trying to get over it because of the wind. Get sideways to it to step off and the wind keeps pushing me back. Can't seem to get good purchase on it to reel in. So I think next time when it's not so windy I'll venture further. Always stay hydrated. The wind's blowing up against me. I'm not feeling hot. That sun there still beating down on you and working its magic to get you dehydrated. Always stay hydrated. subscribed to my channel so far. It's a small channel, I'm at 40. But when I hit 50 subscribers, I'd like to do a giveaway. Not quite sure what will the giveaway be, but I'd like to give something out to one of my subscribers when I hit that milestone. For me, I've had this channel for a little while. My uploads have been irregular, but I'm going to do my best to get them more regular, at least once a week. I know I've said that in the past. If you've seen one of my other videos, I forget which one I said it in. I was going to subscribe, or I was going to upload a new video every Sunday. Well, I know I haven't followed through with that. For that, I'm sorry. But I want to get there. So, if you know anybody who might like my channel, the content that I deliver, out camping, canoeing, photography, and if you know somebody who would appreciate it and like to follow along, please share it with them. Get them to subscribe. And if you're watching this and you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave me a comment and like this video if you've enjoyed it. I appreciate all the support so far, and I know it's only get better from here. Well, that's it for me for today. See ya.